Good late evening, welcome back in another video, and I'm here to tell you something. Okay, birthday celebration is ongoing in Ramanujan Hostel in Yaman, that means Angan in Ramanujan, and because time is around 12 a.m. Correct, 12 a.m. So yeah, it's starting from morning. I woke up around 7:30 and immediately go for fresh and bath, and I perform this all three things. Then I immediately come to my room and ready, and after getting ready, I practice 30-minute yoga, and it's complete yoga. So I proud up on myself because of that. And moving forward, then immediately I go for breakfast. In breakfast we have a cup of milk and sprout and pair of bananas. I save one banana for later purpose. I tell you later in this video. Maybe you already got to know about that because today is Saturday. So I save one banana, and after these things I nothing nothing, and then we have a lab schedule of RPI and we have to go there. So immediately we, along with Ritik and Sanjeev, go in lab, and where we write our 9 experiments starting from 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th, and then checked by teacher Ankit sir. And he said that in upcoming schedule of lab you have to practice all these experiments by own. He's a great teacher in as much as I think. After that, we came to our room. No, because of scholarship given by UP government to Sanjeev, because Sanjeev is a SC student and he got scholarship in afternoon around to 12:30 a.m. So 12:30 p.m. sorry, and so after completion of lab we go outside of campus and we drink a cup of Musami juice by Ice Party by Sanju because of scholarship. And then we came to our room, and yeah, we eat food. I eat a lot of food as today is Saturday. Food quality and component of food are so good in lunch on Saturday. And as Saturday, so we have to go outside as well. And so we go there along with Ritik, Sanjeev, Himanshu, Kamlesh, Utkarsh, Hars, and Prince. So I don't want to eat anything because of junkness in food in outside. I carried one packet of milk, half kg, 500 ml, and I use that 500 ml. Half of 500 ml I use it, and half of 500 ml of milk is used by our friend Kamlesh, because Kamlesh is currently facing loose motion, so he also not eat anything outside. So I and Kamlesh share up half 500 ml, and nothing of, and using of that 500 ml I make rolled oats along with dates and cashew nut, and it's very delicious, fulfilling, not much fulfilling, but light dinner which is very good in terms of outside food, and it save few rupees as well. And one good news for that in afternoon around 2:30 p.m. I also got scholarship by UP government, and thankful to you, thankful to God, and thankful to all who make this possible. So these are the things. And after taking dinner I started taking lectures, and this is the first day of 10 days challenge taken by me from yesterday, and I happily say that I able to complete this. In revision I revise three properties of system. I promised yesterday only two, but I do three. And in network I revise till model 4. Few questions remain, but mostly are done. And so for tomorrow revision plan I try to revise model 4. And in network in signal try to revise all properties of general systems. Let's see whatever I able to do that. And in terms of lecture, 2 lecture of network and 2 lecture of signals. So these are the plans for tomorrow. Gate preparation is going well, and health is currently well. Let's see how it responds in few days if I put more hard work in my study. So these are about today day, and let's meet you tomorrow again with high energy. And till now I'm signing up. Good night. Bye.